Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajay Singh from Colonel's Bratton Public School, will teach you computer of grade 4. So, dear students, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 3 more about Tux Paint. So, in this video, we will learn about many features of the Tux Paint. Let me describe you more magic tools. In Tux Paint, there are various magic effects which allow you to draw wonderful patterns. Let us learn some of the pattern effect in the magic tool. Mosaic effect. The mosaic effect tool is used to apply a pattern of many small colored pieces of stones on the canvas. Open a new canvas and draw the sunset scene, or you can select any colored background. Click the magic tool and select mosaic effect on the selector. Bring the magic wand to the canvas and click on it. The canvas will be filled with the mosaic effect. Clicking it further changes its colors. Kaleidoscope effect. This tool is used to create freehand pattern. The most amazing feature of this tool is that even we move the magic wand from the single pointed draw from all the 4 directions. Let us learn how to use it. Select the green background. Now click the magic tool and select the kaleidoscope effect from the selector. Pick yellow color and bring the magic wand on the canvas. Now click and drag the mouse as you wish. A pattern will start appearing on the canvas. Effect: designing the pattern, fill color in it. Let us know more. The chalk effect in the magic tool makes a part of the picture look like a chalk drawing. Using the glass effect, you can see your drawing through the glass tiles. Emboss effect. This magic tool gives a raised effect to an object from the surface that you have drawn. Select the emboss effect from the selector. Bring the magic wand over the image on the canvas and drag the mouse to emboss the images. Observe the change in the image. Let me tell you a next fold effect. If you want to apply the fold effect on the drawing, use the fold subtools of magic tool. Rosette effect. This magic tool is used to draw a pattern in shape of a rose. Lighten effect. As the name suggests, this tool is used to lighten the color of any object. Select the lighten effect from the selector. Drag the magic wand on the half of the area of an object as shown in the figure. Observe that the area becomes lighter where you have applied this tool. So now students, we will discuss about storyboard. Storyboard is a series of pictures that provide a visual layout of an event in a story. It's like a comic book which displays the character with some action and dialogues. It brings life to the script by showing the key scene as how the objects will look like, who will be present in the story, and that what action will take place. Let us learn how to create the storyboard in the Tux Paint for the story, the lion and the mouse. Scene 1. Click on the new tool. Select the dark green background and click on the open button. Apply the glass effect on the background. Click on the text tool and select the white color from the color palette. Bring the pointer to the drawing area and type the line and the mouse. You can increase or decrease the text size using the up or down arrow from the letter subtool box. Click on the paint tool and draw the freeform line using yellow color. Now with the help of stamp tool, place the image of line on it shown in the figure. Similarly, draw the white freeform lines and place the image of the mouse on it. Click on the Save tool. Scene 2. Click on the new tool. Select the white background and click on Open. Click on the magic tool and with the help of fill effect, draw the background as shown in the figure. Click on the paint tool and select the brush and color to draw a stamp, and select its subtool vine to draw a tree leaves. Now select the magic tool and its subtool grass to draw grass. Select the stamp tool and choose the stamp sun, line and mouse as shown in the figure. Click on the text tool, select the letter size and type the text as given in the figure. Click on the Save tool to save the drawing. Scene 3. Click on the new tool and select the white background and create the same background as you have created in the scene 2. Place the stamps of the of mouse and line. This time the location of the mouse will be changed. Select the tool, text tool, and type the text for the third screen as shown in the figure. The mouse sprayed the line to leave it off, assured it would be help the line whatever raised. ये स्टोरी है स्टूडेंट्स जो आपको अच्छे से याद होगी. Click on the Save tool and save the drawing. Now scene 4. Draw the background and place the object as shown in the figure. Draw the net on top of the line by using the paint tool. नेट इसके ऊपर ड्रॉ करना है. शिकारी ने इसे जाल में बंद कर लिया. यूजिंग द टेक्स्ट टूल टाइप द टेक्स्ट एंड सेव द ड्राइंग. तो कैसे चूहा इसे काट के बाहर निकालता है in the scene 5, and similarly make changes in the position of the objects for the scene 5. Type the text using the text tool. Save the drawing with the help of Save tool. And know the fact, students, for you, storyboard is frequently used as a mock-up for movie scene, music videos and more. Thank you, students, to watching this video, and stay safe, stay healthy.